Hi, and welcome back to Our Country Chronicles Sunday Kitchen Edition. Today we are going to be making foolproof cheese bread loaf. To start this, we are going to take 1.5 cups of warm water, along with 2 1/4 teaspoons of active yeast, or just 1 packet is equivalent. We are also going to be putting some spices in it. We're going to be using 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And you don't have to let the yeast activate or anything. Now, I'm going to stir it around just a little bit to incorporate it. Now we are going to add 3 1/4 cups of flour.
And this is all-purpose flour, guys.
Alright, now we are going to put this in our mixer, lower it down. We're going to lock it. And we're just going to let it knead till it's kind of like a shaggy dough ball. We'll be back when it's done. Alright, now we're going to add our 2 cups of cheese. Now we are going to just mix this in and incorporate the cheese. Now this is a no-knead recipe, but where I'm trying to incorporate this cheese, I'm just going to knead it just a little bit to incorporate it. Now you can add mild cheddar to this cheese ball. Where I'm dairy-free, I use the Daiya dairy-free cheese. But again, you can use pretty much any cheese that you want to, but cheddar, mild cheddar. Okay, so that's pretty well incorporated. We're going to take the same bowl and we're going to add some oil to the pan, 1 or 2 teaspoons. Alright, now we are going to put our dough ball back in here. We're going to cover it and let it set for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. To let it rise. Put it in a warm place. If you have a proofing setting on your oven, you can put it in there, but just somewhere warm. I'm going to put it by this oven. And we'll be back whenever it's ready. Alright guys, we're back. So this has been proofing for about 2 hours. I went ahead and I have put my Dutch oven in the oven to kind of warm up. Preheat the oven to about 450 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and take the lid off. I'm just going to lightly grease it. Now this is the time to where you can use parchment paper. to put your bread on so it doesn't stick. I unfortunately do not have parchment paper today, so I'm going to just lightly grease my pan. But yeah, look how big that this has got. So let's go ahead and let's take her out. And then we'll just put her in. Now, let's cover her back up. We're going to bake this covered for about 25 minutes at a 450-degree oven, covered. So let's go ahead and put it in. Once that cooks for about 20-25 minutes, we will check it and then we'll uncover it and finish it off for the last 5 minutes so it can kind of crisp up the top. We'll be back then. Alright guys, so it's been 25 minutes. We put it on high broil to make it all nice and golden on the top. Oh my goodness. Look at that beauty. If you could just smell my kitchen. Let's try to get this out on a plate. There we go. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Let me get this covered back up. And you'll have to go back in here to cool off. Look at this. Just, oh, you know, and there we go, guys. Now, this we should let it cool, but I can't resist it. Oh, it's so hot. There we go. Now, I want to taste this. Oh my god, it's so hot. Just a little nibble. Ouch. We're just gonna let it cool. That is so good. That is most definitely a keeper. Guys, I do want to thank you for joining me today and cooking my cheese bread. Until next time, bye.
Grab a plate and pull up a chair. Smells like Sunday filling the air. Turn Kayla's mixing, Greg's on the flame. Laughs and love in every frame. From sweet tea sipping to skillet fried gold, they're serving up stories fresh and bold. Sunday kitchen with Kayla and Greg. Warm hearts cooking on a cast iron leg. Family flavor and down-home cheer. The best kind of feeling starts right here. On Our Country Chronicles, come taste the love, where the kitchen's the heart and the stories rise above her. Learn on Our Country Chronicles, come taste the love, where the kitchen's the heart and the stories rise above.